Hi everyone, welcome back to Clouds. Today we're diving into the world of skincare with a spotlight on Kojic acid. Kojic acid is like this secret weapon for brighter, more even-toned skin. It comes from mushrooms and has been blowing up in the skincare world. So if you're ready to unlock your most radiant complexion, keep watching. Let's talk about why Kojic acid is a game changer for brightening your complexion. This powerful ingredient has been a staple in many skincare routines for its remarkable effects. The magic lies in its ability to target hyperpigmentation, those pesky dark spots and patches that can be so stubborn. Our skin produces melanin, which gives it color. Melanin is essential for protecting our skin from UV damage. However, sometimes melanin production goes haywire, leading to overproduction in certain areas. This can be due to various factors like sun exposure, hormonal changes, or even aging. Kojic acid steps in and gently inhibits the enzyme responsible for excessive melanin production, tyrosinase. By doing so, it helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots and even out skin tone. Think of it like a dimmer switch for melanin production. It doesn't completely turn off melanin production, but rather adjusts it to a more balanced level. With consistent use, Kojic acid can fade existing hyperpigmentation and prevent new spots from forming. It's important to be patient and diligent with your skincare routine. The result? Brighter, more even-toned skin that glows from within. You'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's overall appearance. Remember, consistency is key with any skincare ingredient. And Kojic acid is no exception. Incorporate it into your daily routine for the best results. And don't forget to pair it with sunscreen to protect your skin from further damage and maintain your newfound radiance. Hyperpigmentation is a common skin concern caused by factors like sun exposure, acne scars, hormonal changes, and aging. These dark spots and patches can be frustrating and affect your confidence. Kojic acid is a multitasking superhero for tackling different types of hyperpigmentation. Whether it's post-acne marks, sunspots, or age spots, Kojic acid can help. It's derived from fungi and is known for its skin-lightening properties. By inhibiting the enzyme tyrosinase, Kojic acid reduces melanin production, effectively targeting and fading hyperpigmentation over time. It regulates melanin production, effectively targeting and fading hyperpigmentation. Consistent use can lead to noticeable improvements in skin tone and clarity. Kojic acid is generally well tolerated by most skin types, even sensitive skin. However, it's always best to introduce it gradually into your skincare routine. Start with a low concentration and patch test before applying it all over. This ensures that your skin can handle the product without any adverse reactions. Achieve a more even and radiant complexion with Kojic acid. With regular use, you can enjoy a brighter, more youthful appearance. A Kojic acid can improve your skin's texture, making it smoother and softer. By addressing hyperpigmentation, Kojic acid brightens your complexion and creates a smoother surface. It also has mild exfoliating properties, helping to remove dead skin cells and enhance product penetration. Your skin will be brighter, more even-toned, and incredibly smooth. Kojic acid also acts as a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants protect your skin from environmental aggressors like pollution, UV rays, and blue light. They neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing premature aging and damage. By incorporating Kojic acid into your routine, you're giving your skin an extra layer of protection. Keep your skin healthy and radiant with Kojic acid. Let's talk about the anti-aging benefits of Kojic acid, a powerful ingredient in many skincare products. It helps fade hyperpigmentation, reducing the appearance of dark spots and uneven skin tone, which are common signs of aging. By brightening the skin, Kojic acid creates a more youthful and radiant look, giving you that healthy glow. Its antioxidant benefits protect against free radical damage, preventing collagen and elastin breakdown, which are crucial for maintaining skin elasticity. With regular use, Kojic acid can help maintain a smoother, more supple complexion, making your skin feel soft and rejuvenated. Invest in the long-term health and youthfulness of your skin with Kojic acid, and enjoy the benefits of a well-cared-for complexion. So there you have it. We've covered all the incredible benefits of Kojic acid. It's a true skincare powerhouse that deserves a spot in your routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more skincare tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Take care and stay glowing.